Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to start a new chapter number 11, Getting to Know Plants. Children, we know there are different types of plants are present around us. They are vary in their shape, size, and color. Some plants are flowering plants because they bear flowers. For example, rose, apple tree are the example of flowering plants. But some plants never bear the flowers, so that they are called the non-flowering plants. For example, pine tree are example of non-flowering plants. Children, depending on the shape and the size of the plant, there are different kinds of plants. For example, herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, and climbers. Mainly, there are three categories: herbs, shrubs, and trees. So, the herbs are the plants with the green and tender stems. They are called the herbs. They are usually short and may not have many branches, so that they are also useful for the food, flavoring, and the medicinal use and the perfuming agent. Some examples of the herbs are carrot, turnip, spinach leaves, potato, radish. The shrubs are some plants have the stem branching out near the base, and the stem is hard but not very thick, so such plants are called shrubs. An area of cultivated shrubs in a park or a garden is known as a shrubbery. So, children, we know that the hibiscus, lemon, mustard, rose are the example of shrubs. The third category is trees. Some plants are very tall and have a hard and thick brown stem. The stems have branches in the upper part and much above the ground. So such plants are called trees. They tend to be long lived, some reaching the several thousands years old. The next is the creepers and climbers. Children, the plants that take support on the neighboring structure and climb up are called the climbers. We know the example of the climbers are money plant, cucumber, pea, and the creepers are the plant with a weak stem that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground. They are called the creepers. So mint, melon are the example of the creepers. Children, we know that different parts of a plant. A plant has two systems. First is the root system and second is the shoot system. Root system consists of main root and the numbers of the branching roots. But the shoot system consists the stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. So now we are going to discuss about roots. Children, the roots help in holding the plant firmly in the ground, and they are also said to anchor the plant to the soil. We know that the underground part, which is called the root, they are non-green plant. They are the non-green part of the plant. So it grows into the soil and away from the sunlight. They doesn't possess the nodes and internodes. Children, mainly there are two types of root system. First is the taproot system and second is the fibrous root system. In the taproot system, plant with the taproot system is the largest, most central and the most dominant root, from which other roots sprout laterally. But the fibrous root system is usually formed by thin, moderately branching roots which are growing from the stem. So children, we know that there are various modifications of roots are also there, like plants like radish, carrot, turnip, sweet potato. They store food in the roots and become fleshy. Some roots are like money plant, black pepper. They are climbing roots. In some cases, there are the parasitic plant like the dodder, which roots are specialized to absorb the water and nutrients from the host. So children, these are the modifications of roots. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Children, today I am sharing you question answers of previous chapter, changes around us. So you should complete question answers in your notebook. Thank you children.